Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any amazing deals or savings that I bring to you guys almost every day. The only day I typically don't post is Saturdays. I usually take that day to have some family time and just kind of kick back and relax. So today I went back to Walgreens again to look at all of the different clearance items that they have. And there is a beauty event going on next week that I forgot to mention to you guys in my Walgreens ad preview. So I wanted to get an update on that for you guys, get that flyer and share it with you and show you a ton of the clearance going on. So stay tuned. Let's go inside and check it out. Stopped by Walgreens today just to grab a couple additional things, and there's a ton of clearance. And I stopped to see my girl at the beauty consultant counter to get this for you guys. So update on the beauty event. It's going on from the 23rd to the 25th of next week. This is the paper copy. You'll get it at the different Walgreens locations that has a beauty consultant desk, which looks like this. So hopefully we get a digital as well because they usually do stack now. I just was in the Soap and Glory section. Look, typically $12, $1.29, and these are lip contour kits, so definitely buying some of those. They have these as well. She said it was not a plumping chapstick, but it just has like that pouty look. So this is the kind they had available, which is a pretty good color for my skin tone, so I grabbed a couple of those. Down here they have some foundations, $1.69 for foundation. I've never tried their foundation, so drop a comment, let me know if you guys have tried any of the Soap and Glory foundations, so that way everybody knows. This as well, it is the Whipped Clean. Is this the same thing? No, they're out of that. Oh darn. What else do they have? Clearance here on number 7, which we do have some coupons for. I have to check if they're still valid, but that can be some good deals for you guys as well. So make sure you guys check out your Walgreens clearance. Let's see what else they have. Let's see, CoverGirl and Revlon and all may have a ton tagged. So these right here, they're concealers. Why is this so blurry? There we go. Okay. They are only $2.89. That's about, what, 75% off, something like that. These over here, some really nice lipsticks. I absolutely love wearing nice lipsticks. Lip glosses, matte, you name it. I think they're super cool. These over here, some nice lip glosses, $1.99. That is so crazy. And of course, it will all count towards beauty. Revlon, they have a ton. 97 cents. Oh my gosh. It's only for that color, which obviously is gone because that is an amazing price point. This right here, $1.09. Of course, it's gone. This one's not gone. They have one left though. That's just not a very good color for me, so I'm gonna leave it for someone else. But amazing, amazing. Look, 99 cents. That's too dark for me. But it's a nice color. That would have been good for me. Let's see. 62 cents on all of these down here, which is amazing. These are 50% off. They are $6.99, so you're saving $7. What else? These Revlon Insta Stick, $1.49. We do have those Revlon coupons, $5 off a face product. So I don't know if you would get the overage or if you guys would just get the, or if it would just kind of price down, but that could always be a really good deal for you guys. Moving right along, what else, what else? More lipsticks and stuff, $2.19. 49 cents here for some eyebrow stuff. So crazy. $1.19 each, 59 cents, 29 cents. I wish they had these available. I would totally suck up on those. And look, So we've been getting deals at CVS for buy two, get a $10 extra buck. So these wound up being 98 cents. If you guys don't have a CVS or didn't do that deal, you guys can always pick it up here for just $3.29 for the exact same product. So that's always a good deal. Here are some highlighters, 69 cents. More lipsticks down here, 29 cents. This is so crazy. I've never seen their clearance to be so amazing. So I'm gonna look around a little bit more, see if there's anything else that I want to stock up on. Of course, Mother's Day is coming. My mother's birthday is also coming next weekend. And we have Valentine's Day coming up. So if you guys want to get a cute little gift bag for your girlfriend, your fiance, your wife, your mother, whomever, you can always put in a couple of these really cute items, and they're really good quality. So I would definitely recommend that. Get a jump start on some of these holidays coming up. Some more clearance for you guys. So we are just clearance hunting today. So there's 50% off on all Soap and Glory gift sets still, and the number 7 gift sets, which is awesome. So you could get this mirror for $20, not a bad deal. Obviously for the holidays it was cheaper, but if you missed out on that deal, or you kind of didn't buy it and now you're like, oh, I regret it, you know, FOMO, wish I would have bought it, you guys can still get it for obviously half off, which is a great price. 50% off any gift set. If you guys like white diamond, I mean, look how cute that little thing is. Little Mother's Day gift, anything like that, just $11, and it's $100 value. I just wish they had like a scratch and snip so I could smell what they smell like to see if I want it. Okay, here is more clearance. So this is in the household section, across from all the different laundry detergents, things like that at my location. So the Raid Max, 50% off, which is awesome because I really like this stuff. It shoots pretty far, and when there's a hornet's nest or a wasp's nest, I absolutely freak out. Try to make someone else spray it, or I spray it real fast and then I run as fast as I can in the opposite direction because I don't want them to kill me. So this one is half off as well. It's not a real name brand like Raid, but Hot Shot Wasp and Hornet Killer. So if you guys do have any nests that you want to get rid of, it's half off, just $2.79 or $4.99. So that is a really good deal as well. And below that, we have some mouse traps. So if you guys have any mice or rat problems or anything like that, here is a repellent, a rodent repellent. That's cool. Little night lights that you can kind of, oh, you stick them in. Oh, that's so cool. So yeah, you just plug them right in, and then they kind of repel rodents from wherever you guys have them plugged in. It comes with 3 of them. It's also 50% off. That's a really good deal. And then the standard mouse traps, which I've never even used before. I feel like I would probably snap it on my finger. So I don't know about that, but half off as well. These over here, half off as well. So if you guys need any of these, make sure you grab it before the deals are gone. I don't know when these are gonna end. Okay, so such amazing clearance. I got a couple goodies for myself from the Soap and Glory, which is a Walgreens brand. If you guys didn't know that, the beauty consultant told me that a couple times ago. So I got 2 of the glow highlighter sticks. She kind of showed me what to do with them. I'm not the biggest makeup guru, but I definitely have upgraded my makeup a ton since being able to coupon. I got 2 of these. They are the lip liners, which are really nice. What else did I get? The other glow stick I got is more of a peachy red to give yourself some rosy tone, and then I got a darker one for my lips. I'm excited about that. So make sure you guys take advantage of the deals. Treat yourself. Like I always say, if you want to pick up a cute lipstick, if you guys have a date you're going on, anything like that. And make sure you share the video with your friends, family, if they need any cute little Valentine's Day ideas. Those gift sets, the fragrance gift sets, such a hot deal to stock up on that, or to use it as nice gift ideas for, again, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or of course, like I always say, treat yourself and get something nice for yourself this week. Always good to pamper yourself sometimes and take some time to spend the money that we're saving on some really hot clearance here at Walgreens. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tonight I will definitely be posting my CVS ad preview for next week, and then I'll try to get out the must-do deals. I will get those both out to you guys tomorrow, Friday, for the Walgreens and for CVS. I'm also going to be posting a Dollar General amazing deals they have going on this week. I will definitely get that out for you guys today. I already made my PowerPoint and put together all the deals, figured out what products, and I have a 5 off 25 scenario, which is the Saturday only digital coupon at Dollar General. So if you plan on doing that, make sure you guys clip that to your card. It will not come off automatically. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later tonight.